We are outside the parking garage. We are outside the parking garage at Cape Canaveral Hospital. We were at Cape Canaveral Hospital parking garage in Cape Canaveral, Florida, I think it is.
Cocoa Beach.
Cocoa Beach. And we are in Cocoa Beach, Florida, at the Cape Canaveral Hospital parking garage, and it's 4th of July, and we are going to ride some elevators at the Cape Canaveral Hospital parking garage, and this is going to be a extravaganza. And there's the elevators. And we're going all the way up to the top. We're on the 2nd floor. And there's the 2 man-powered elevators which we're going to ride. And the elevators. We're on the 4th floor. I think we got about 2 more floors to go. And then we can ride the elevators after we get about 2 more floors. And there's the 2 man-powered elevators over there.
No, there's just one over here.
Oh, one, and then one at the other end.
Powered elevator. And there's an electric powered elevator.
Yeah.
And there's the other man powered elevator.
And now we're at 6, and we got 1 more floor to go. And then we're going to park at the top. I wonder how well the elevators are going to run. Are they going to run good, or are they going to run bad? Because I know last time I've been here, they made a lot. Or at one point I came here and they made a lot of noise. So, you know, is this elevator going to?
Only one that makes that noise.
Only 1 car. I wonder if it still does. That'd be an interesting video.
It's the one that was out of service for so long. It was out of service for like a year.
I bet you I get a good impact cam if it does.
It makes a clunking noise when you pass each floor. Only when it goes down.
Yeah, only when it goes down. If it starts doing that, then I'll have to get like a nice, I'll have to like see if I can get the microphone to pick it up.
There's somebody
sitting out there.
Probably sitting out there having a cigarette.
Yep.
Because this is a no smoking facility, so they come up here to hide.
But we're not going to focus on that. We're going to go ahead and park and ride the elevator. Yep. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and turn the engine off. We're going to go ahead and stop. We're going to go ahead and cut the tape and switch to my camcorder and ride the elevators. There's the elevators. And before we ride the elevators, you know, we gotta show the nice American flag, which is not flying in the wind. And there's the two Diesel Ducys, which we're gonna go ahead and ride the elevators. While we wait, we'll go ahead and show off this nice little view. That's actually the window, not the camera losing focus. That's actually... Go to 7. Get the numbers going up. Before we go up, go ahead and look up the shaft.
Can't see much. Dark.
Can't see much, even with the camcorder. Maybe you can see. Oh yeah, you can see up there. Thanks to the low light, but I'm not going to sit there and focus on that. So we're going to zoom out quickly, and we just nudged an elevator. That's what the nudge noise sounds like.
Wait for it to go.
Yeah, we should. We got another elevator. This is the one that really makes noise going up, so we'll go ahead and let you hear that. Focus, there we go. That wasn't bad. Here, we gotta ride up on this elevator. Now let's try to get the other one. There it goes. If it'll close. I want to get this other car.
That one's probably open.
Yeah, we already rode this one though.
Slow this one down.
Yeah.
And then we wait.
We'll wait.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Oh, then ask
Press. There we go.
Now, if number 7 doesn't, if number 14 doesn't come, that means it's out of order again.
It's out of order.
That's hard to tell. But
And-
both of them have been sent to the first floor.
So while we wait, we'll just look at this view once again. And any blurry image is probably because the window's dirty. So here's a view of the hospital. I wonder my computer. I can hear it. That was right there, our phone going off.
One of them's here.
One of them's here. Oh, it's that one. I'll let that one go. You can. Go ahead.
I don't think the other one's not coming. It's out of order again.
Well, I guess we'll just ride. Well, that one, unfortunately,
14 is out of order.
is out of service, so we're just gonna ride down this one. So
Okay.
let's see how it sounds going down. Well,
Have a good day.
alright, let's get off this. I guess that one's out of service.
Now this is a hydraulic. And when it's going up, it did that grinding noise.
Yeah, it doesn't do that anymore. Oh, this one's is in service.
All right.
Got a 7?
The hydraulic, these are hydraulic, and that one makes a funny noise.
The Otis thing is taken off.
Let's take this one down, because this is the one that makes that, was making that noise on the way down.
Let's see how it sounds.
The other one had a vibration. Yeah, see?
Not bad.
It's like it's hitting something.
Yeah. What's that? There we go. Now I guess we'll ride I guess we got, what? And now we ride the man-powered elevators at the other end. Which I guess the first man-powered elevator we can ride, let me show you. Aim down so I don't get the license plate in the frame, but we got another, there we go. We're gonna ride the man-powered elevator as well. There it is. Down we go. This is the Otis man-powered elevator. There's the view. It's a sink. Now we gotta go up the elevator to get the other one. That's the machine room. That was interesting. It flashed 6 and then 7. But it just flashed on the
The
numbers.
door opened as the light went out. Usually they don't happen all at the same time.
Yeah, that was rare that I just caught. Alright, now we'll go up that ramp. We'll go out, we'll look at the view. Make sure I aim down so I don't get that license plate, so sorry about that. Up here, we got this nice view. What? Oh, there's lights? Oh, that's what we want to get. Let's zoom in. See a long way down. We're going to stick the camera over the railing. I see it over there. I'm sorry for the blur. Sorry about that, guys. And let me see if I can prop the camera on this rail. We can aim it around and zoom in on that flag. Sorry about that, guys. Can we get one still of that? Focus, there we go. There's the American flag you can see flying in the wind. Let me zoom in a little more. Sorry for the shakes. That's all I'm going to get the best view of. See, there's a view of the American flag with a blur, but...
I'll back off the blur.
There we go. There's a view of the American flag from far away. And now we're going to zoom all the way out where you no longer could see it. So, there we go. I can take the camera off the rail, so you may have saw it, you may have not. Let me put my hand in, make sure I'm zoomed out. I didn't bump no buttons, so now we're going to walk around. I'm going to make sure that this stays running. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one I don't think I need to. I can zoom in a little bit, but see there's the American flag flying in the wind from off the parking garage. And now we're going to zoom out. Thanks to the optical zoom this camcorder has. And there's a nice view of that thing down there, which... Yeah, they're off, because I've never seen them on in a long time. Yeah, but we're gonna. Here's the fire alarm, but we're gonna go down. So, here we go. Let's go on down.
Stop, not go down to the next landing. Is the Tom's and you can get the American flag at
Oh.
the eye level.
Perfect. Let's zoom in a little bit.
Zoom in so the flag fills the screen a little bit more. There you go.
There's the American flag and the city in the background. Guys, zoom out.
That's at floor 3.5.
Okay. This is the manpower to look at. And there's the garage. So we're gonna go ahead and see there's where we drove in. We drove in right through there. And now we're gonna take a little walk to the garage. And over there's the elevators, which are right over there. Yeah. What? Oh yeah, that's for Diesel Lucy. That is for you, Diesel Lucy.
Oh, we hope not.
But that right there was just mentioned just for you. But enough of that. We're gonna ride the elevator. But there's this machine room right there. Somebody, oh cool, somebody parked some motorcycles. As Diesel Lucy would like to call that, the cute little bike. And somebody's just... Alright, we'll let this one go. Yeah, we'll let that person go. I don't want to... Make sure I don't get in my... No.
We'll get a separate.
Okay.
We'll get a separate elevator. I want to get an empty one.
Okay.
Better film.
Because I don't want to get people in my film.
Nope.
Alright, nah.
Okay, now we go.
Alright, push. Oh.
Listen to it.
Ugh, this will be epic.
Get close and you can listen to the motors. I'm not sure you can hear anything over that one. Because that's this one.
We got an elevator. Did we get an elevator? Alright, that's perfect. It's here. Alright, we're gonna go up now. Go 7. There goes the door. Here we go. There's something on my lens. I'll fix that after the video.
and down and then release. Barely gonna find time for that.
There it is.
And there we are.
And we'll get outside and watch it close up. There it goes, and
That's it, goodbye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button, and that's it, goodbye. And thank you. Bye.